Hi sweeties, I've got a good one for you today. We're going to take a look at the Mealthy Crisp Lid. This company claims that it can turn your Instant Pot, the one you already have, into an air fryer. That's right, whether you have the 6-quart Instant Pot or the 8-quart Instant Pot, and they say it fits a variety of different electric pressure cookers, but you take this top and you put it on, you remove the regular pressure cooking top, you put this on your pressure cooker, and it turns it into an air fryer. So, similar to, say, a Ninja Foodi that is a pressure cooker with an air fryer lid built in, well, if you already have an Instant Pot, well, let's just take a look at this and see if this Mealthy Crisp Lid can turn your Instant Pot pressure cooker into an air fryer. We are going to start with a whole roast chicken. First we're going to pressure cook it, and then we're going to put on this Mealthy Crisp Lid and see how it does. If you want to see how the Ninja Foodi did in that demonstration, I will put a link to the video for that right here, the Ninja Foodi whole chicken, and you can see how it compares to the Mealthy Crisp Lid. Let's get this out of the box and take a closer look. Let's see what's in the box. We've got a recipe booklet. Looks like a trivet or a little rack. Some tongs with silicone tip so it doesn't scratch the inside of your pot. This is another silicone, let's see, get this out of here. Mat, we'll see what we use this for. And the basket. And then the lid itself with the cord. Here is a closer look at that Mealthy Crisp Lid and its warning label. And then you can see here it's got temperature and time, minus and plus, stop and go. It's got this glass outer lid and the air fryer mechanism on the inside. So that Mealthy Crisp Lid said it fits both the 6-quart and the 8-quart Instant Pot, and this is it on the 6-quart. And then you can see how the lid here is sort of stepped, right? So it's this part. So this part fits snugly on the 6-quart, that lower part of the ring. Now let's see what it looks like on the 8-quart. All right, let's move it over to the 8-quart and see. It fits perfectly right on that larger ring. So it does indeed fit both the 6-quart Instant Pot and the 8-quart Instant Pot. So we're going to use the trivet. This is the trivet that came with the Instant Pot. I actually think this one came with the 8-quart, but it's about the same size as the one that came with the 6-quart. So we're going to use this trivet because it has feet to help lift it out of the liquid. We have 2 cups of chicken broth in the bottom of the Instant Pot, and we don't want the chicken to just sit in there while it pressure cooks. So we're going to put this on the bottom, but if we use that by itself, it'd be hard to take the chicken out. So we're going to put this on top of it and then put the chicken on this, and then we can, with our little silicone gloves, we can pull this out of the Instant Pot. Now this is the trivet that came with the Mealthy Crisp Lid. Okay, we've got our trivets inside the Instant Pot. We'll put our chicken down in there. Great. And we don't want our chicken to be too close to the top of the Instant Pot because when we put the crisp lid on top, we don't want it to burn. So, but for now, we got our chicken, 2 cups of chicken broth in the bottom so that it can pressure cook properly. And let's get our pressure cooking lid on. Our pressure cooker is on, our top is locked in place. We have the vent turned to seal. Let's put that on for just 20 minutes. All right, and we're gonna pressure cook this on high until it is ready to air crisp. All right, this should be just about done in any minute now. All right, we're done. Let's go ahead and turn that to vent and let it quick release until it's done. The pressure has been released. I'm going to unplug the Instant Pot and take off the top. There's our chicken. It's steamed and cooked, but the skin is not crispy. Now we're going to brush our chicken with some canola oil. You can use softened butter if you want. That would be delicious. That oil is going to help the chicken to get nice and crisp. We've plugged in our Mealthy Crisp Lid, but this handle, see it's got a little handle here. Let me push up. This handle has to be all the way down for it to cook. All right, now let's set the temperature. Let's do 350 and let's do 8 minutes and we'll check on it. Ooh, look at that. And see how it does after 8 minutes. And it's got a glass lid so you can see the progress of your food. It's browning nicely. All right, let's see what it looks like. Lift that lid again. Oops, steamy. See what it looks like. It looks good. It looks good. I'd like to get it a little more crispy, so I'm going to put the lid back on for another 5 minutes. Actually, I think I want to turn the temperature up to 400 and we'll put the time up to 5 minutes, and you can change it in the middle of cooking. And let's see how that does. And you see the crisping lid sort of cycles off and on to maintain the temperature. So it just turned off. The fan is still blowing, but the heating element has shut down. And it'll come back on in a few seconds. There it goes. That lid. See what it looks like. That looks really good. Nice and brown. What do you think about that? And that's something that you couldn't really do well in an Instant Pot before unless you took it out and put it into the oven. But that Mealthy Crisp Lid, you can pressure cook it and then roast it right in your Instant Pot. There. Oh, lost my wing there. There we go. Let's give that cut. Ooh, look at that. The skin is crisp. Inside is moist. It's hot. I actually should have let it rest a little bit. Let me give you a closer look. Look at that. Oh, it's dripping. You can see how moist it is. So that is it. The Mealthy Crisp Lid. Still got some nice broth here in this Instant Pot. I'm going to measure it out and cook some rice in there. Well, what do you think, folks? How did that Mealthy Crisp Lid do? I mean, I'm happy with it. It did a nice job getting that chicken brown after we pressure cooked it. So please leave me a comment and let me know what you want to see me cook with this Mealthy Crisp Lid in the Instant Pot. It turns your Instant Pot into an air fryer. I will do another demo and I'll show you what it looks like, how it works with that 8 quart. I mean, we know it fits, but let's see how it works. So yeah, leave me a comment and let me know what do you want to see me cook with this Mealthy Crisp Lid. And please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Give me that thumbs up. Tell your friends about me. And have a delicious day.